Hey guys, Vulcan Forged PYR price prediction. If you're interested in investing in cryptocurrency, you might have heard of Vulcan Forged PYR. It's a cryptocurrency gaining popularity recently, and for a good reason. In this video, we'll take a closer look at what Vulcan Forged PYR is, how it works, and what its potential future looks like. We'll also make a price prediction for PYR shortly. You are watching Crypto University, where you can get the latest updates on all things crypto, NFTs, and blockchain related. Tune in for a fun and informative experience. Remember, we will never request your personal information or contact you through WhatsApp. Beware of any potential scams or spam comments in the comment section. Watch the full video and show your support by liking if you enjoyed the content. Without further delay, let us just dive in. What is Vulcan Forged PYR? Vulcan Forged PYR is a cryptocurrency that is built on the Ethereum blockchain. Vulcan operates on the Polygon network, which aims to provide a platform for decentralized gaming and virtual economies. The PYR token is the native cryptocurrency of the Vulcan Forged ecosystem, and it is used to power in-game transactions, NFT marketplaces, and other features within the platform. It's a decentralized platform that allows users to create, buy, sell, and trade NFTs and digital assets. The platform is designed to be user-friendly, with a simple interface that makes it easy for anyone to use. How does Vulcan Forged PYR work? Since Vulcan Forged PYR works on the Ethereum blockchain, this means it's decentralized and operates on a peer-to-peer network. Transactions are verified by the network of users rather than a central authority. This makes Vulcan Forged PYR more secure and transparent than traditional financial systems. Users can buy and sell Vulcan Forged PYR at various cryptocurrency exchanges. The price of PYR is determined by the supply and demand of the market, like any other cryptocurrency. Users can also earn PYR by participating in the Vulcan Forged platform by creating or trading NFTs. What the Vulcan platform offers? Vulcan Forged offers a range of products and services, such as Vulcanverse, a 3D virtual world where players can explore, build, and interact with others. Vulcan Marketplace, a digital asset marketplace where users can buy, sell, and trade NFTs. Vulcan DApp Studio, a tool for creating decentralized applications and games. And Vulcan Esports, a competitive gaming platform that hosts tournaments and events. In addition, PYR is governed by a decentralized autonomous organization, DAO, that allows the Vulcan Forged community to have a say in the development and direction of the platform. The DAO enables PYR holders to propose and vote on various aspects of the Vulcan Forged ecosystems, such as new features, partnerships, marketing strategies, and more. The DAO also ensures that the funds raised from the PYR token sale are used transparently and responsibly for the benefit of the platform and its users. Security features. Vulcan platform implemented some very crucial security features that make it secure for users. These include 1. Two-factor authentication, 2FA. Users can enable 2FA to add an extra layer of security to their accounts. This ensures that only authorized individuals can access the account, even if the password is compromised. 2. The platform uses SSL encryption to protect user data during transmission. This ensures that data is encrypted and cannot be intercepted by unauthorized parties. 3. Vulcan Forged PYR stores the majority of its cryptocurrency in cold storage, which is an offline storage method that provides an additional layer of protection against hacking and cyber attacks. 4. And moreover, Vulcan Forged PYR uses multi-signature wallets, which require multiple signatures to authorize transactions. This ensures that transactions cannot be initiated without the approval of multiple parties. 5. Vulcan Forged PYR undergoes regular security audits to identify and address any vulnerabilities in the system. PYR token. One of the key features of Vulcan Forged is its native token, PYR. PYR is an ERC20 token that powers the Vulcan Forged ecosystem and provides multiple benefits and use cases for its holders. PYR is designed to be a deflationary token, meaning that its supply decreases over time. This is achieved by burning a percentage of PYR from every transaction that occurs on the Vulcan Forged platform. For example, when users buy NFTs from the Vulcan marketplace, 10% of the PYR paid is burned. Similarly, when users stake PYR to access premium features or rewards, 5% of the staked amount is burned. This creates a scarcity effect that increases the value of PYR over time. PYR tokenomics. If we speak of mid-April 2023, the PYR token of the Vulcan Forged platform stands at an astonishing price of $4.07, with a market cap of about $95.75 million. The circulating tokens of PYR are 23.9 million, while the maximum supply of PYR is 50 million tokens. Vulcan Forged PYR price prediction. It's always difficult to predict the future price of a cryptocurrency, as many factors can influence it. However, some trends and patterns can give us an idea of what to expect. From the last 7 days, the PYR was in a good upward trend and increased by 9.18%. Vulcan Forged PYR has shown very strong potential lately, and this could be a good opportunity to dig right in and invest. However, after comparing the current price with the past 30 days' price history, it is observed that Vulcan Forged PYR has increased by 1.177% in its value. The average minimum price for the month is $3.74, while the maximum average price expected was $3.96. This implies that this coin is a suitable asset and a new addition to your portfolio of coins for the long term. So now, it's safe to the following price prediction. The price of one Vulcan Forged PYR is expected to reach a minimum level of $5.18 by the end of 2023. The PYR price can reach a maximum level of $5.96 with an average price of $5.34 throughout 2023. According to our deep technical analysis of past price data of PYR, in 2025 the price of Vulcan Forged PYR is predicted to reach a minimum level of $11.16. And Vulcan Forged PYR price is forecast to reach the lowest possible level of $79.89 in 2030. As with any cryptocurrency, the price of PYR is subject to market volatility and can be influenced by factors such as investor sentiment, regulatory changes, and technological advancements. So it is always wise to do your own research, and the price prediction we showed is not a piece of financial advice. Why the PYR hike came. One factor driving the price of PYR is the popularity of NFTs. NFTs have become increasingly popular in art, selling digital art for millions of dollars. As more people become interested in NFTs, the demand for Vulcan Forged PYR will likely increase. Another factor driving the price of PYR is the growth of the Vulcan Forged platform. The platform is still relatively new, but has already gained a large following. As more people use the platform, the demand for PYR will likely increase. Tips to keep in mind when considering PYR price prediction. 1. Research the fundamentals. 2. Keep an eye on market trends. 3. Consider the competition. 4. Take a long-term view. 5. Use multiple sources. 6. Analyze the technical indicators. 7. Consider the tokenomics. 8. Keep an eye on the adoption. 9. Assess the risks. 10. Diversify your portfolio. How to buy Vulcan Forged PYR? If you're interested in buying Vulcan Forged PYR, you can do so on various cryptocurrency exchanges, such as Binance or KuCoin. To buy PYR, you'll first need to create an account on one of these exchanges and verify your identity. You can then deposit funds into your account to buy PYR. So here was all of it. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful. What do you think of today's video? Do leave a comment and like the video. Tell us what you want to learn about next. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and return for more price prediction videos like this one. Have a great day, and we'll see you in the next video.